Good morning, fourth graders. Today is Friday, May 7th. For e-learning today for math, you need to work in your MT course in Kickstand, a lesson and a practice page or 2 practice pages, and 1 day in the Fluency Playground. For reading, you need to complete your Wonders to-do list and read to self for 30 minutes. And then for writing today, you can either create a comic or no, you're not create a comic book. That was from last week. Um, today I would like for you to type your narrative story. Your narrative story should be in your backpack. And your opinion stories, and then share them with me. Okay. You can work in your flex course in Kickstand. You can also work in SumDog or Prodigy or even Freckle. Or you can play a math game of your choice. For reading, you can work in the Games and Wonders. You can also get into Get Epic. And then for other, if you need something else to do, you can work on a PE lesson, a music lesson, or a STEAM lesson. It's going to be kind of yucky this weekend, so it's beautiful outside right now, but good time to do something nice for your mom because it's Mother's Day, or do something nice for your grandma or an auntie or another lady that helps take care of you. Do something nice for them. And I will see you all on Monday. Remember, Tuesday is the track meet. Okay. Wear comfortable clothes. I will have your tie-dye shirts here at school, and we will change into them before we go to the track meet. Okie dokie. Have a great weekend, and I will see you later.